Hello friends, welcome to the trading strategies. Today is 2nd June. We'll discuss for tomorrow's trade, that is 3rd June 2020, how to trade Nifty, Bank Nifty and 2 stocks for intraday trading. So before going that, go through this disclaimer and also the famous quote. So in a bull market, no price is too low. In a bear market, in a bull market, no price is high. In a bear market, no price is too low. This is the famous quote. Now straight away we'll go to the Nifty chart. This is the Nifty chart. I'm explaining from couple of days the importance of the levels. See, previously it tested 50% retracement. Today it closed above 50%. So the next level is 61.8% retracement, and the couple of important levels is 10,270 and 10,430. This is the key levels to watch out. There is a high probability of testing this 10,270 level, and there is a gap area also in between 10,150 and 10,330. So the price try to fill this gap maybe this week or maybe next week. We don't know exactly, but there is a probability of filling this gap in coming days. And going further on the downside, if you see 9,700 and 9,580 is the key support in coming days. If the price comes to this area, it is a very good buying opportunity, this area, on a positional basis. So we'll see. You can note down the key levels, that is 10,270 and 10,330 is the resistance area, this area, and the downside 9,700 and 9,580 zone, the gap. In the technical chart, this gap areas is most important. Most of the times the gaps will fill. So now we'll go to tomorrow's trade for 15-minute chart. So yeah, right, yeah, this is 15 minutes chart of Nifty spot. See, today small dip and the rally. The rally is continuing. So if the price comes and retests this 50% retracement of 9,880 kind of levels, that is the decent buying opportunity. If the price doesn't come, no problem, wait for the breakout. If the price opens above 9,994, that is near about 10,000. If tomorrow the price opens above 10,000 and sustain for 15 minutes or half an hour, then there is a high probability tomorrow itself it test 10,300 kind of levels. So one should be ready to take out the decent profits. So for tomorrow, if any chance, if the price comes to this area, this is the decent buying zone, and the entry will be near about this 50% retracement, and keep a stop below today's low. So 9,820. okay, aim for get target of 10,000 and above. First target is 10,000, right? So this way you can plan for tomorrow's trade Nifty, and we'll see the Bank Nifty also. change it to Nifty Bank. This is a Nifty Bank daily chart. The chart formation is decent. This is a decent up move. This area will give a decent support in coming days. So 19,600 and 19,400 zone will give a decent support to the market in coming days. On the higher side, now this has already closed around 20,500. Now the next level is, we'll draw the levels. This is the low. Yeah, 21,800 on the higher side. So that is a retracement of 38.2% of this fall, right? So if you compare with the Nifty, Bank Nifty is weak, and also this doji will give a stiff resistance. So there is a high probability of testing this zone 21,500 in coming days. So Bank Nifty also buy on dips until it breaks this 19,000 kind of level, and we'll see for only for tomorrow's trade. This is a 15 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. See the today's price movement, price action. See, this is the base, rally, base, rally. So tomorrow this base area will give decent support. So this is the entry. This is stop. Yeah, only 100 points stop, and aim for a target of today's high. This is the trade plan for tomorrow Bank Nifty. And if the price opens below 20,300, wait for the price to come to this level, not this level, because there could be some profit taking tomorrow. So if the price comes to this area, then we can enter this entire area. So around 20,000. Right? So this is the actually trade plan. Only according to this plan we can trade. And we'll see two stocks for tomorrow's intraday trading. Today Titan has given decent profits. Yesterday I explained about Titan, and the other day I explained about Biocon. If you see the Biocon chart, it has tremendously given decent profits. And I'm giving every day one or two stocks minimum, and you observe at least out of two stocks, one stock is giving extreme returns. So you follow the trade plan and do accordingly trade plan only. Without trade plan, I don't think we'll get a better results. Friends, this is a Kotak Mahindra Bank, Kotak Bank for tomorrow as well as positional. If we see the pattern, the fall, previous retracement 50%, and now it closed above 50%. And if you see this rally, drop, again rally. So this extension may test 1380 rupees. On the higher side, 1436 and 1450 zone will give resistance, because from here the price dropped previously. So this already testing tomorrow. So next level is 1436. If you are a positional trader, you can buy tomorrow and keep a stop loss below today's low and aim for a target of 1430. So that is the positional trading. For only for intraday tomorrow, how we have to trade, we'll see on a 15-minute chart. So this is the 15-minute chart of Kotak Mahindra Bank. See today's price action. If you see in the morning, descent rally, drop, base, rally, base, rally. So whenever base, rally, base, rally, this base will give a descent support for the next trading. So this is our entry price around 1325, keeping a stop loss below 1305 and aim a target of 1380 for tomorrow's trade. So this is the simple trade plan for tomorrow Kotak Mahindra Bank. So once again I'll repeat, 1325 entry and 1300 level is the stop loss and 1380 is our target. So that is Kotak Bank. Another is friends, this is Century Textiles. So if you see the price consolidation here and given a breakout, so now the price may rally up to 345 level. So this is the trade idea for a positional trade. Any dip is a buying opportunity and keep a stop loss below this candle, that is 282, and aim for a target of 345 for positional trade. So now we'll see only for the intraday. See the entire fall has retraced 23.6% and closed above. There is a probability of testing 343 is the 38.2% retracement level. Right? So the momentum is up, so buy on dips. For tomorrow's trade, we will see on a 15-minute candlestick chart. This is the 15-minute chart of Century. See, this is today's price action. So this is the base area and rally, drop. This is the base and rally, it is small rally, you can see. Now you see this is the entry price, 307 rupees 65 paisa, 308 rupees. Keep a stop loss below this candle, that is 302.50, and aim at a target of 320, 322 kind of levels. So here I put as 322. Why 322? On a 15-minute chart, here some gap is there. That gap area I taken as a my profit target. So this way we can trade Century Textiles tomorrow. So friends, I discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty and 2 stocks for tomorrow's trading. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. I'll come up with one more video after closing tomorrow's market. Tomorrow evening I'll come up with one more video for the next trading day. So I'm giving every day my view on Nifty, Bank Nifty and 2 stocks for intraday trading. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you have any comments, please write in comment box. Thank you.